College of Technology, Bhopal, with specialization in information technologies and with the aggregate of 8.1 CGPA. And I am working on the front-end technology BI. Actually, I have given the interview for React. The profile is software engineer. Actually, one of my friends suggested to join Geekster, for the good opportunities and for better understanding of the new technologies. So one can join Geekster, and there are lots of mentor sessions also, and we can actually connect directly with the co-founder of Geekster. If somebody wants to discuss about anything. I got placed in Accenture in my college days, but due to some reason I was unable to join at that time. And then I again starting upskilling myself by joining the Geekster, and I got many referrals also, and I learned a lot during this journey. And I am still in the journey. I haven't completed the full course yet, and in future I will get many better opportunities as well. Actually, if somebody is joining Geekster, they doesn't have to worry about the other things. One can focus on study only, and the other things will be taken care by the Geekster team. I was applying for the offline campuses as well, but I was not getting any responses from them, and that was quite distracting also. I was unable to focus on my study as well. So if somebody is joining Geekster, they can focus on their study, and other things will be taken care by the Geekster team. That's what I like about. So one can get unlimited opportunities, good opportunities, and one can practice more about the practice the interviews while giving the mock interviews. And if somebody have any kind of doubt, so they can directly contact with the co-founder itself, and there are lots of mentors, so they can contact them. Because of I will say because of the live sessions, one can clear their doubt immediately, and discuss your approach as well. If I'm joining the DSA sessions, so you can immediately ask your doubts, and there are lots of practice questions also. You can practice and discuss in other sessions as well. If somebody have a big dream, if they want to learn the trending skills from the very basics, so they can join the Geekster.